Hitting the open trail with the look and ride you want in your truck is an amazing feeling, and this lift from Tuff Country is going to give you both. This kit includes everything you'll need for a quality lift on your ride, like upper control arms with high-quality Teflon-lined FK Uniball joints. These will eliminate binding and provide a massive increase in articulation. That means your truck can flex and adapt like never before. This kit also includes rear Tuff Country SX 8000 nitro gas shocks. These shocks are going to give you a smoother and more controlled ride, whether you're on the highway or taking on the trails. If you're like just about every other truck owner out there, you're going to want bigger tires. And now you can get those big, beefy 32-inch tires you've been shopping for, giving you that bold, aggressive look. Tuff Country knows that times are hard right now, and this kit was designed to make lifting your truck easy to install and easy on your wallet. They've engineered all of their kits to be high quality and a great value. And to top it all off, every component of this Tuff Country 3-inch lift kit is proudly made in the US. With a better ride and better articulation for the trails, you'll be able to hit the dirt and get there in comfort. If you want to know more about the 3-inch lift kit from Tuff Country or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.